baby love. This is the sound Teddy makes when he's nursing. It's so cute. But now he's distracted by the phone. Yeah.